Hey guys, hunting down another great location, very remote. Gotta follow this road 40 miles. See you when we get there. You really don't want to break down out here, man. There's nothing. The ultimate road trip in the middle of nowhere. 18 miles in, gotta go 40, no cell service. 1980s vehicle. Oh yeah. I know so many great places to bury dead bodies if I ever have to someday. Cinematics. Pretty amazing, man, the stuff that's out in this country, man. It blows me away. About 12 miles to go. Gotta go up in there. It's out there, people, man. You just gotta put the rubber to the road. Damn. Okay, guys, we're here, and it is windy. Bull Falls, guys. This wind is no joke. Guys, this wind is amazing right now. Is that worth it or what? What do you think, guys? Sitting Bull Falls, was it worth it? Man, is that wind howling. Don't forget, guys, thumbs up and subscribe.